Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this BenQ HT2060 1080p HDR home theater LED projector 4K supported, 2200 lumens, vertical lens shift, keystone correction, 3D, 1.3x zoom, SPDIF, built-in 10W speakers, bundle with ceiling mount bracket, then please visit the link provided in the description. Today we are diving into a projector designed to bring the cinematic experience straight into your living room. The BenQ HT2060 targets home theater enthusiasts who want clear, vibrant visuals without breaking the bank. Starting with image quality, this projector delivers crisp 1080p full HD resolution and supports 4K input. HDR enhances contrast and color accuracy, giving deeper blacks and brighter highlights that make movies pop. The LED technology ensures colors remain vibrant over time and provides consistent brightness, all while being energy efficient and low maintenance compared to traditional lamps. Brightness is rated at 2200 lumens. While not the highest on the market, it is more than enough for dimly lit or moderately bright rooms. Images appear vivid and clear, and with low noise operation, the projector keeps distractions minimal, letting the content take center stage. LED light means less heat and longer lifespan, which is great for long movie marathons or gaming sessions. Flexibility is one of its strongest points. Vertical lens shift and keystone correction make placement easier, while the 1.3x zoom allows adjustments without moving the projector. The bundled ceiling mount makes setup cleaner and more professional, eliminating the need to buy extra accessories for installation. Audio comes from built-in 10W speakers. They are good for casual viewing, but the real potential emerges when connected through the SPDIF output to a soundbar or home theater system. 3D support is still present, which is rare these days, and gaming is smooth with low input lag and responsive visuals, making it ideal for big-screen gameplay. The design is modern and understated, fitting seamlessly into any entertainment space. The LED system not only delivers better brightness and color, but it also runs cooler and quieter than traditional lamp projectors. This combination of performance and practical features makes it a strong contender for anyone looking to upgrade from basic projectors. Overall, the BenQ HT2060 balances price, performance, and convenience. It brings high-quality visuals, flexibility in installation, long-lasting LED lighting, and compatibility with modern content formats. Whether for movies, sports, or gaming, it transforms a room into a mini theater. For those looking to elevate home entertainment without spending a fortune on high-end cinema gear, this projector is a compelling choice. Check the description for more details and links to grab it today.